The topic I will discuss in the video is about loan amortization. What's loan amortization schedule? The statement through which all the information related to the repayment of the loan is presented is called loan amortization schedule. Loan amortization schedule shows the loan installment amount, number of installments, duration, loan amount, and interest amount separately. To prepare the loan amortization schedule, first determine the amount of loan installments. Loan installments are paid at the end or beginning of the year. Present value of an ordinary annuity formula is used if the loan installments are paid at the end of the year. And if the loan installments are paid at the beginning of the year, then present value of annuity due formula is used. Sometimes loan installments have to be paid more than once a year. In this case, 6 months, 3 months, or even monthly installments have to be paid. Let's move to the spreadsheet to see a live demonstration of computation of loan amortization. Here we are going to calculate payment of month 1. So put equal sign, then type PMT, then double click on it, then select rate divided by monthly payment, put comma, then select year multiple by monthly payment, put comma, then put minus and click on principal amount, put comma, type 0, put comma, type 0 again, close the bracket and press the enter key. So this is the payment of month 1. So if you want to know that how many months are going to include in our schedules, at first put equal sign, then select year, then multiple it monthly payments. So we're going to include 120 months. So at first I put 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then take it up to 120. Now I'm going to calculate payments. So month 1, so put equal sign, then type PMT, then double click, then rate divided by monthly payment, put comma, then select year multiple by monthly payment, put comma, then type minus, put minus and click on principal amount, put comma, type 0, put comma, type 0 again, close the bracket and press the enter key. So this is the payment of month 1. If you want to know the payment of month 2 to month 120, at first you have to put dollar sign here, and then take it up to 120. So now I'm going to calculate interest payment of month 1. So put equals and then IPMT, then double click on it, then rate divided by monthly payment, put comma, then select 1 as per, put comma, then select year multiple by monthly payment, put comma, then put minus and click on principal amount, put comma, type 0, put comma, type 0 again, close the bracket and press the enter key. So this is the interest payment of month 1. If you want to know the interest payment of month 2 to month 120, at first you have to put dollar sign here except par, then click on it and then take it up to 120 cell. Now I'm going to calculate principal payment of month 1. So put equals and then type PPMT, then double click on it, then select year divided by monthly payment, put comma, then select 1 as par, then put comma, then select number of year multiple by monthly payment, put comma, then put minus sign, then click on principal amount, put comma, type 0, put comma, type 0 again, close the bracket and press the enter key. So this is the principal payment of month 1. If you want to know the principal payment of month 2 to month 120, at first you have to put dollar sign here except par, then press enter, take it up to 120. I'm going to calculate outstanding balance. At first put equal sign, then type sum, then double tap, then select principal amount minus principal payment of month 1, then close the bracket and press the enter key, then take it up to 120. So at the end it becomes 0. So in this way you can calculate loan amortization schedule. Thanks for watching the video.